Hello everyone, you're watching RKP Aaj. I hope you all are in good health. I know being locked up inside your houses isn't the best thing that has happened, but you've got to look at the positive aspects here. It's all about finding the calm in the chaos. And our lovely teachers have come up with some good ideas on how to spend our time while this COVID-19 crisis continues. So let's see what they have to say.
Hello everyone, this is Ravina here, your maths teacher. Getting tensed is not actually the solution. We should look for its positive phase too. So let me tell you, I want to share what new I have learned during this lockdown time. My first wish was to read the novel The Wings of Fire, autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So taking the advantage of technology, I just downloaded that novel and read that novel. Believe me students, the novel is stupendous. It's too much inspirational. Also established a beautiful connection between God and science, which are interconnected. A second thing that I wanted to do is cooking. Now I can say, yes, I too can cook. So my dear students, my message for you is, study enough, play enough, but indulge yourself in at least one such activity so that you may say that yes, I have used my holidays in the best possible way.
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Sweetie Rathi. This is the best time you can find to learn something new. Okay, now let me tell you about my quarantine, how I am spending my quarantine. The very first thing, I started doing exercise and meditation for my body and for peace of my mind. And then I thought I should try new dishes, so I make new recipes daily and serve to my family. I also worked on my personality development by learning some new English words daily to increase my vocab. I also help my mother in the household work. I also play indoor games with my brother like Ludo, badminton, etc. I also encourage you students to do some exercise and meditation apart from studying and playing. Try spending time with your grandparents and help your mother in household works.
Hello everyone, I am Samiksha Prasad. I hope you all are safe and doing well. As we all are practicing social distancing due to this pandemic, some stray animals like dogs, cows, etc. are facing major food problem because they depend on us for their survival. So I decided to do my part by feeding nearby strays. So let's move to prepare their meal. So I request everyone to take care of them because we are not getting enough food in this crucial time.
A very good morning to all of you. This is Komal Dhingra. So today I am here to share some of my activities that I am doing during the lockdown period. Lockdown has given me an opportunity to cherish and strengthen my bond with my family and my parents. We rarely get this quality time with each other, and this lockdown has given me the opportunity to understand each other in a more better way. I can learn some new skills, enhance my knowledge regarding my field, as well as I can work upon my weaknesses.
Dear students, good morning all of you. First, I wake up at 5 o'clock, then go for just my routine works and do exercise for approximately 50 minutes, which includes running and some physical exercise. You can do yoga also in this time. It is very good for your health, because the first important thing, which is for us, all of us, it is our health. Then after that you can help your parents in their some homeworks, just as like you can help them in brooming or just cleaning the floor of your house. You can help them in cutting the vegetables. After that you must attend your classes, which are from 9 to 1 o'clock or whatever the scheduled time of your class. After that you have to do the work or assignments which are given to you. After completing the work, then you must spend the time with your parents. You must do or must play some games, just as like indoor games, carom board or badminton, or just as like Ludo. You can entertain yourself for some time.
Namaste. I hope you all are happy, healthy, and safe, and must be following the lockdown by understanding the crucialness of being at home. Nowadays, some of you might be getting bored, or some of you might be enjoying at home. At present, we are in such a scenario which is brimmed with negativity from all the sides. Whether you are operating social media, news channels, or your neighborhood, whichever you operate, it is bringing all the negative news to you. So in this crucial time, we should always remain positive instead of being panic or distressed. So this negativity fills our mind with negative thoughts and eventually affect our body system, which leads to many health problems which you are probably not aware of. So we should always try to keep our mind positive, as positive mind builds happy and healthy mind. So to keep myself happy, I always try to spend the time with my elders, listen to their past stories, their experiences about their life, and find out the good and positive aspects from that. Along with that, daily I spend at least half an hour with myself. Yes, that is my own personal time. For that, I used to go on the terrace, water the plants. Along with that, thinking about all the most loved people of my life, the precious moment of my life, the deeds which make my beloved people happy. And also to get positivity, I have also started reading holy books like Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana, and try to know that how the worst to worst situation can be dealt with positive thinking. By doing this, a smile automatically comes on my face, which wipes out all the sorrows and negativity which currently affecting and engulfing us from all the sides. So my dear students, I advise that you should always have the time for your elders, and you should always have the time for yourself. Spend few minutes with you only doing the work you like the most. Then you will realize that those few minutes will make your whole day fruitful, happy, and the most important time of your life.
Good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at your house. During this lockdown, we can do many things, as we can do meditation or prayer. Dedicating our time to meditate or pray is numerous and has been proven in studies over and over again. We must try to grow plants like neem and tulsi that keeps our environment clean and fresh. Yes, it keeps positivity all around. And one more thing, we can do some brainstorming, brain stimulating activities at our home. Like we can play Sudoku and we can play Atlas. We can solve some puzzles. It will improve our general knowledge. And the time spent with our family is the best time ever.
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, मैं सुदर्शन। बेटा, इस मुश्किल घड़ी में, इस कोविड-19 की जो महामारी जो फैली हुई है, इस घड़ी में आपको किस तरीके से अपनी दिनचर्या जारी रखनी चाहिए, उसमें आप अपना रेगुलर सुबह उठने का, दिन में पढ़ने का, समय पे खाने का और आराम करने का अपना ध्यान रखें। और दूसरी बात यह है कि आप ज्यादा पैनिक न हो, आप अपने पेरेंट्स की घर पर मदद करें। और बेटा, जो आपके स्कूल ने जो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जो स्टार्ट कर रखी हैं, वो उनको आप ध्यान से अपना समय उन पर लगाएं, उनको ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़ें। आपको जो परेशानी आती है तो आप स्कूल के नंबर पर बात कर सकते हैं।
हेलो बेटा, गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं मंजीत। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप घर पे सुरक्षित होंगे, हेल्दी होंगे। उस टाइम के दौरान अपनी कुछ क्रिएटिविटी दिखाएंगे। डांसिंग, पेंटिंग, ड्राइंग, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। मैंने भी लॉकडाउन के टाइम में बच्चों के साथ मिलकर दीवारों पे कुछ पुराने चार्ट से कुछ क्रिएटिव किया। ओके बेटा, आप भी ऐसे ही कुछ क्रिएटिव बनिए, कुछ करते रहें, पढ़ाई पे फोकस करें।
Megha this side. Hope all are going strong. As we all know that we can't calm the storm, So calm yourself, the storm will pass. I'm going to tell you about my productivity, that how I am making my quarantine period productive. So I have started learning so many things during this quarantine, but the most I loved is drawing. So I have started learning drawing during this time, and today I am going to show my pictures, that how many pictures I have drawn during this time. See, this is my productivity and creativity.
Just have it.
This one. The house. And even now I am drawing a picture.
Dogs do speak for those who want to listen.
Stay home, stay safe.
Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe.
Stay home, stay safe, and enjoy your quarantine. Thank you, everyone.
Please stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.
Be happy, keep smiling, stay safe, stay at home. God bless you all.
So stay home, stay healthy.
Thank you so much, teachers, for sharing your views with us. This indeed is the time to start something new for ourselves. And you all have to find that thing that you've always wanted to do. You have to grab this opportunity with all your might. All we have is now. Thank you all for watching us. We'll be back soon. So stay tuned, stay home, and stay safe.